நீங்கள் பார்த்துக் கொண்டிருப்பது உங்கள் கதிர் டிவி.
P. Sanjan Ganesh of First Standard A gets the General Proficiency Prize for UKG. A. Niveda of First Standard B. A. Niveda of First Standard B. M. Gandhimadi of First Standard C. M. Gandhimadi of First Standard C. Gokul Karthik of First Standard D. M. Vishal of Second Standard A. Srivatsan of Second Standard B. Srivatsan of Second Standard B. C.B. Selva Ganeshan. C.B. Selva Ganeshan of Second Standard C. Varsha Balaji of Third Standard A. M. Jayabharati of Third Standard A. She gets a special prize. Shanmuga Priyadarshini of Third Standard B. Shanmuga Priyadarshini of Third Standard B. Yes, Shankara Lakshmi of Third Standard C. Selva Guru Karthikeyan gets a special prize of Third Standard C. N. Kavya of Third Standard D. Thank you, ma'am. Kritik Saran of Fourth Standard A. Thank you, Victoria, ma'am. I now call upon Mr. Gavin Saint, chemistry teacher of Mill Hill School, London, to give away their prizes to classes 4, 5, and 6. Chidambara Natarajan of 4th B. Chidambara Natarajan of 4th B. K.V. Kalyani of 4th C. K.V. Kalyani of 4th C. Sahana of 4th D. K. Swati of 5th B. Nithin Narayanan of 5C. Sanjana MJ of 5D. L. Jyoti Kumari of 5E. Pon Ranjani of 6B. Pon Ranjani of 6B. Rishvega of 6C. Okay. Ganapati Gayatri of 6A. Rishvega of 6C. Ganapati Gayatri of 6A. Darshini of 6D. Darshini of 6D. And M.M. Sweta of 6E. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. I now call upon Ms. Valerie Minor, the economics teacher of Mill Hill School, to give away the prizes. G. Hariharan of 7th A. G. Hariharan of 7th A. M. Swati of 7B. Selva Muthu Balaji of 7C. Selva Muthu Balaji of 7C. S. Naveen of 7D. S. Naveen of 7D. R. Dhanush of 7E. U. Pushpa of 8th A. M. Pun Ajirta of 8th B. A. Aarti of 8th C. Amal Aldrin of 8th D. Mahmooda Tasneem Fatima of 8th E. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. I now call upon Mr. Paul Bickerdike to give away the prizes. B. Aditya of 9A. P. Preeta of 9B. M. Priyanka of 9C. Angel Nitisha of 9D. Yes, Shanaz Fatima of class 10th, who stood state first with a score of 496 out of 500, with centum in 3 subjects, math, science and social science. R. Visalakshi of 12th standard, of 11th standard. R. Visalakshi of 12th standard. R. Vaishnavi of biology group. She's the school topper in 11th standard common examination. And L. Sangeeta, school topper in 11th standard common examination for the commerce group. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Receive the prize. Pia. A. Gautam stood school first and S. Meenakshi Sundaram stood school second. Both of them are not here. Next I call upon M.R. Vandana Priya with a score of 1178 with centum in accountancy and business maths. Centum in accountancy and business maths. K. L. Muthu Saravanan, who has the highest score for French, 198, physics, 199, computer science, 199, and 200 out of 200 in biology, which is very remarkable. We had only 34 students in the state who got this centum. Yes, Vignesh, with a score of 1175. He has a centum in accountancy and he's the top scorer in English with 193. He has joined the CPT with a distinction, and his mother is here to receive the prize. Yes, Swati of 12th standard, Centum in Accountancy and Business Maths. She's not here. R. Aishwarya, Seema Kaur, Centum in Mathematics. Sugandhi, Centum in Mathematics. Amina, Centum in Mathematics. Soumya, Centum in Chemistry. R. Gayatri, Centum in Accountancy. Muthu Ramalingam, Centum in Accountancy. Yes, Subbalakshmi, Centum in Accountancy. T. Muthulakshmi, Centum in Accountancy. Stella Mary, Centum in Accountancy. P. Kirtana, Centum in Business Maths. M. Abhishek, who has a Centum in Accountancy and Business Maths. Sairam Aravind is the top scorer in Computer Science with a score of 199. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. With a score of 496 out of 500, Centum in Maths, Science and Social Science. Shenaz Fatima for her score 496 out of 500, and Vinodini 495 out of 500. 7th Standard Common Examination. While S. Srinidhi stood second. Sri Harihara Putran Memorial Prize, which is given in memory of our school's well-wisher, Mr. Harihara Subramanian's father, 500 in the 10th Standard Public Examination. This is Ayush Singh for his score 494 out of 500. We would like to honor Vijay Lakshmi ma'am for her dedication to our school. Now I call forth our Tamil department teachers, R. Muthulakshmi, Sundaram Murugaya and Suresh Redigo.
As a principal of the school, I'm very fortunate having so many dedicated teachers who have made the excellent results possible. The Tamil department teachers are here to receive the award for producing an outstanding result in class 12.
Next, I call upon the Maths Department, Kani, Mr. Vanchi Gopalakrishnan. We have produced 4 centums in mathematics this year. 8 centums in business maths. 4 centums in common maths and 8 centums in business maths. Thank you, sir. Varangam. They have achieved a score of 199 out of 200, just missing the centum. Next, I call for the chemistry department teachers. Mrs. Geeta Ravindran, Mr. Armugam, and Mrs. Gayatri. We also have a centum to our credit in chemistry this year. Mrs. Vanita for her centum in accountancy. 13 centums to Mr. Madhavan. $199 out of 200. And Mrs. Sasikala of Hindi department. Mrs. Kalavadi, she is not here. Mrs. It's time now to honor the English department. 99 in English to our credit. Mr. Isaac and Mr. Peter Singh. This is the maths department of our school for the 10th standard. We had 20 centums this year. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Yes. This is Mrs. Krishnaveni, our senior teacher of physics department. Mr. Venkat, Selvakumar, Tiruvarangam. Mrs. Hema, Mrs. Gayatri, and Mrs. Glory. We had 85 centums, and now next comes the biology department, headed by our vice principal, Mrs. Gangamani.
Mrs. Jilani, Mrs. Padma, Mrs. Mariamal, Mrs. Shanmugapriya, Mrs. Pausi, and Mrs. Muthulakshmi. A gathering of our science department. Mr. Ananta Subramanian,
Mrs. Subhashini, Mr. Rajeshwaran, and Mrs. Sai.
And award, Mrs. Kalavadi. We request our principal and correspondent madam to give the memento to our chief guest, Mr. Rajaram, Deputy Superintendent of Police, Tirunelveli Rural Division. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for being with us. He has also been doing some classes with our students. Thank you so much. And the partnership, the man who initiated this partnership,
நீங்கள் பார்த்துக் கொண்டிருப்பது உங்கள் கதிர் டிவி.